Yeah, so this is the screencast you've told me to make, and I just wanted it done. So I hope it's still it's I done my research. I'm really actually dug into the song, but just not written it. So yeah, this is Changes by Tupac. Um, why did I choose this song? Because of me still thinking, even though I'm the new generation, I still think and appreciate Tupac, even though some of my friends I know could name one song. But I think that he's still relevant and still has the game audio, the performance, the lyrics to keep up with these new rappers. And then I chose this song because I really like it, and because it's an interesting song, because it used to be a earlier soul song, at least the chorus was. It was an elderly man in a suit singing these choruses, which I couldn't find the song name. I guess it was Changes too, but I couldn't find out the actual singer. So I couldn't really reference it to it in the analysis. But just keep in mind he took this from a soul singer, which also reflects on his own style of singing, which is this sort of soul. Not really, but when you know where he came from, because we talked about this in school, you can see how he can have some soul vibes, or soul what do you say, point from, I guess you could say, because of the time he's from, and then these guys being still the newest in the game, somewhat. And but something about Tupac made this song after he got with Death Row Records, because he got bailed out of prison, because he didn't stop provoking the police, so he got thrown in jail for that. And he got bailed out by them, and then in 1963, 66, he got shot in a drive-by probably some, we don't, it's still unknown, but you would guess it's gangsters, I guess. Yeah. Tupac was from the West Coast with California side. Oh, that was 2 slides. Can you go back? I guess I go fast. Yeah. This. Okay, a little short recap now. This song is about putting a lot of spotlight on these problems that not only Tupac had, but Tupac's race, black Africans, and poverty, and where he came from, which these lines he made really still, when he uses we in his lyrics, which gives us the sense of that he doesn't, just because he's making money from songs doesn't mean he's forgetting where he came from. He knows where he came from, and he knows there's still people living that life. So he's trying to show other people that these people are still struggling really much. And these lines I've picked out for this one is how he links social issues with which also stand in the real world, which is I'm tired of being poor, and even worse, black. My stomach turns, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch, which also shows his rhymes, where he's when he pronounces it, he says black and snatch, so it's snatch. It sounds like it rhymes, but it doesn't look like it rhymes. But these 2 lines really represent how that even worse by being poor is that he's black. So just because you're poor, you have a big problem here, but then he's black, so it's even worse. And my stomach turns, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. He can't buy food. He's hungry. He's looking for easy money to snatch purse from elderly women. He can easily overpower her with strength, and get away and get money fast and get food. And this next one is something about the hood, which is pull the trigger, kill a nigga, he's a hero. Give the crack to the kids, who the hell cares? Which is these police officers somewhat abusing their might and being portrayed as a hero by killing someone in the hood for keeping it safe. But that's not the main focus, because give the crack to the kids, who the hell cares? The police patrolling the hood, keeping it shots free, gun free, but then the kids get involved in the crack because they need money as well for their family, because they don't want to see their family suffer. And then for the last bit, we have this: what does he mean by we when he's singing these lines where he goes, but we can never go anywhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making some changes. He is in on this. He is a part of this unity. He is still a black man who wants to make changes and start going forward, but they can't do that without each other, which means they need this unity and come together to make progress in their way of living. If they want to improve, they need to work together and hard together. That's what I managed to fix up in these. I hope it's somewhat not shit. Thank you for being kind with the change of plan and this assignment. It was very nice. You made me do this instead of 800 words. So thank you.